Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathod, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about example of break-even point. After subject estimating, costing and contracting, subject code 3351905 from Mechanical Engineering Department. Start with first example. The total sales of an industry is rupees 2,50,000. The fixed cost of the industry is rupees 55,000 and variable cost is rupees 1,25,000. Find the break-even point for the industry. The total production is 5,000 unit. Start with solution. What are the given data we have? Total sales. Here the annual sales income is given, not selling price per unit. So total sales is equal to 2,50,000 rupees. Fixed cost F equal to 55,000 rupees and variable cost V. Here the total variable cost is given, not variable price per unit. So variable cost V equal to 1,25,000 rupees and the total production unit Q equal to 5,000 unit. So what we have to find out? Break-even point for the industry. Break-even quantity we have to find out. We know total sales income equal to selling price per unit into total production quantity. Therefore, total sales income S equal to B into Q. Therefore, 2,50,000 equal to B into 5,000. Therefore, B equal to 2,50,000 divided by 5,000. So, selling price B equal to 50 rupees per unit. Now variable cost V equal to variable price per unit into total production quantity. Therefore V equal to A into Q. Therefore 1,25,000 equal to A into 5,000. Therefore A equal to 1,25,000 divided by 5,000. Therefore variable price per unit A equal to 25 rupees per unit. We know the equation of break-even quantity Q equal to F divided by B minus A. Therefore, what is the value of F we have? 55,000 divided by what is the value of B we have? 50 rupees minus 25 rupees. Therefore, 55,000 divided by 25. So, break-even quantity equal to 2200 unit. So, here the answer of our question is break-even quantity equal to 2200 unit. Let's move to another example. The total sales of an industry is rupees 70 lakhs. The fixed cost of the industry is rupees 12 lakhs and variable cost is rupees 49 lakhs. Find the break-even point for the industry. The total production is 35,000 unit. So start with solution. Whatever the given data we have, total sales S equal to 70 lakh rupees, fixed cost F equal to 12 lakh rupees and the variable cost V equal to 49 lakhs rupees. Now the production unit or quantity Q equal to 35,000 unit. So what we have to find out? Break-even quantity. Now we know total sales income S equal to selling price per unit into total production quantity. So total income S equal to B into Q. Therefore 70 lakhs equal to B into 35,000. Therefore B equal to 70 lakhs divided by 35,000. Therefore selling price per unit B equal to 200 rupees per unit. Now variable cost V equal to variable price per unit into total production quantity. Therefore V equal to A into Q. Therefore 49 lakhs equal to A into 35,000. Therefore A equal to 49 lakhs divided by 35,000. Therefore variable price per unit A equal to 140 rupees per unit. Now we know the equation of break even quantity equal to F divided by B minus A. What is the value of F? Equal to 12 lakh rupees divided by what is the value of B? We have 200 minus 140. Therefore 12 lakhs divided by 60. So the break even quantity equal to 20,000 unit. So answer of our given question is break even quantity equal to 20,000 unit. Move to another example. With the help of graphical method or analytical method, find the break even point where fixed cost is 10,000 rupees and variable cost per unit is rupees 50 and selling price per unit is rupees 120. The production rate of the company is 200 units. So start with solution. What are the given data is? First one is fixed cost F equal to 10,000 rupees. Variable cost per unit A equal to 50 rupees and the selling price per unit B equal to 120 rupees and the total production quantity Q equal to 200 units. We know the equation of break even quantity. So what we have to find out? Break even quantity. So we know the equation of break even quantity equal to F divided by B minus A. Therefore F, what is the value of F? 10,000 divided by 120 minus 50. So 10,000 divided by 70. So what is the value of break even quantity is 142.85 unit. But the quantity is not in a point form, so it is nearly equal to 143 product or unit. Move to another example. The labor cost is rupees 20 per product and material cost is rupees 30 per product of a bearing manufacturing company. Fixed cost is rupees 20,000 and variable cost is rupees 75. Selling price of the bearing is rupees 85. Find how many bearings should be manufactured in order to achieve no profit no loss condition, or in other words we have to find out break even quantity. So start with solution. What are the given data we have? Fixed cost F equal to 20,000 rupees. Variable cost per unit A equal to rupees 75 and the selling price per unit B equal to 85 rupees. Here the labor cost per unit is given rupees 20 per product, and the material cost is given rupees 30 per product. Here the both value are given for confusing us, because already we have the variable cost per unit is given. But we have to find out break even quantity. So we know the equation of break even quantity is break even quantity equal to F divided by B minus A. What is the value of F? 20,000 divided by 85 minus 75. Therefore 20,000 divided by 10. So break even quantity equal to 2000 unit. Remember, variable cost per unit and the selling price per unit is always nearby. Here I tell you about the labor cost and material cost. It also include admin cost. So it's nearly reached to a variable cost by what we have 75 rupees. So before calculating the example, see the value of the variable cost per unit and the selling price is nearby to each other. Okay, so the solution of our question is break-even quantity equal to 2000 unit. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.